So for today's video, I have another unboxing for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a 4th grade teacher in South Florida. So for today's video, I have another unboxing for you of my July subscription box from Owlcrate. So I can't wait to open this up and see what's inside of this month's box. And I know it's already August, but I have been holding on to this box for a couple of weeks now, and I'm finally able to sit down and film this unboxing. And yes, I have held the urge to open it and see what's inside, so I will be seeing it for the first time just like you. And this is very easy. All I have to do is take my scissors and do one cut at the bottom. And that's it. And now we are gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so as always, let me show you how this looks inside. And it has all this little crinkly paper along with a little card that gives you a preview of what's in this month's box. So the theme for the July 2018 box is strange and unusual. And that's why they have the strange and unusual kind of drawing on this card. And also on the back, it talks about more information of the different items that are in the box. So here we go. Without further ado, let's put all these little shredded pieces of paper aside and see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to put it to the side. Look at this, it's a pennant that says, "Stay Peculiar." And this is themed after Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children, which is one of my favorite book series. I read all 3 of those books like within weeks. It was like so good. I couldn't put them down. I read them on Audible when I was driving the car. I bought the physical books and read them at home. Such a good book series. So Stay Peculiar. This will look great in my Harry Potter classroom theme. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, next up, oh, how cute, is a little pocket pop keychain from Funko, and I got Dustin. This is from the show Stranger Things. So I think you could either get, from I saw in the card, you could either get Justin or 11. Yeah, and I got Dustin. He's one of my favorite characters on the show. He is hilarious. So I got Dustin. Okay, what else is in the box? Okay, I have to admit, Ouija boards freak me out, but this is a Ouija board tin can with mints inside, and I will never play Ouija board. I'm saying that for sure. I don't want to mess with that, but isn't this strange and peculiar? I think it's really interesting. All right, next up is a little tube with erasers that are skeleton heads. Look how cool is that? So neat. I could figure out where to put this in my Harry Potter classroom too. Another strange and peculiar thing to add to my Hogwarts theme. All right, so next up is something interesting in here. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out before I look at the card. So I'm gonna open it up because it's in this plastic kind of covering. All right, it's squishy. It says, "The head is too wise, the heart is all fire." So that, I'm figuring, is a quote from a book, which I'll check it out in a second. But this is like a case because it opens up. It's a wallet. Check it out. It's a wallet, and it has a little wristlet that you can actually hook up to the side here. And how beautiful is this? I'm definitely going to use this and put it in my purse. But yeah, it's a wallet, people. How cool is this? Okay, now I have to figure out where this quote comes from. All right, so this quote comes from, it says, "Become an honorary Raven boy with this beautiful wallet exclusively designed by Reverie and Ink. Don't forget to take it with you when you go hunting for Welsh kings." All right, so that is based on a book. I'm sorry, I do not, it says Raven Boy. I'm gonna have to look it up. If you know where this is from, comment down below. But I am gonna do some research after I'm done filming this video. But this is a beautiful wallet. I love it. I'm definitely going to use this. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in here for now. Back in the bag you go. All right, there's more shredded paper, of course. There's a button, like there's always a button in every Owlcrate box, and this one goes with the theme. It has a skull, strange and unusual. And there's also a sticker here. It says, "You're just as sane as I am." Oh, this is Luna You know I love it more because it's Harry Potter themed, right? But Luna is one of my favorite characters from the Harry Potter series because she's strange and unusual, and I love it, and I love her, and I can so relate to her. So I'm definitely gonna put this in my planner or my sketchbook. I'm not sure where, but this is a beautiful sticker. Love it. All right, and then we have a, what is this? This is a piece of artwork. Look how cute. It's a whale with a whole bunch of books on its back. And I can't wait to put this on a frame. I'm gonna have to put this on a frame. And this, let's see who the artist is, the whale. It's a little hot in here, so this is the perfect fan. All right, so it says, let's see. Okay, strange and unusual doesn't always mean spooky. That is so true. Talented artist Julie Riddle created this whimsical art print just for Outcrate subscribers. So it's just for Outcrate subscribers. We can't wait to frame it and hang it on our wall. I can't wait either. I'm gonna put it in my classroom. I'm gonna have to measure it and see which frame best fits it so I can put it on my classroom wall or in my bedroom because I love it. Whales, I love the ocean and stuff. All right, next up. Oh, next up is this month's hardcover book. And the title is My Plain Jane. And it also has a letter from the author on the back. And this is an Outcrate exclusive signed edition. So it says, get ready for some epic ghost hunting in this delightful fun retelling of Jane Eyre. Oh, I love it when they take classics and rewrite them into different like topics or themes. So this one happens to be a spooky Jane Eyre that she goes ghost hunting. You'll follow our beloved trio on a journey through orphanages, Thornfield Hall, which may or may not be haunted, and the Victorian world of the occult. My Plain Jane takes a classic story you know and love and completely flips it on its head. We absolutely adore this funny, spooky, and adventurous gothic tale from beginning to end. We hope you love this exclusive edition, which has been signed by authors Brody Ashton, Cynthia Hand, and Jody Meadows. We also hope you enjoy the handwritten letter from the authors and the fun paper craft inside by Mr. Rochester's Eerie Home. Beautiful. Another Outcrate win. I love it. And if you're interested in Outcrate, I'll definitely leave my referral link below. And in every Outcrate, after you get to the fun hardcover book, they always have like a little booklet that has like a word search inside. It talks a little bit more about the authors of the hardcover book. And it talks a little bit about some of the other artists, like the artist for the Luna Lovegood sticker and so forth. Another thing that is included in the Outcrate box at the very bottom is a preview of what the August theme box will be, which is Ruthless Royals. So yeah, the theme for the August box is this. Flip for a sneak peek. In the August box, you'll find an exclusive item from Crafted Van. I read past my bedtime. P.S. If you're already a subscriber, automatically renew. But basically, yeah, that is the theme for the Outcrate box. And at the bottom of the box, you always have a little owl that says, enjoy your adventure. Love it. Okay, I absolutely love this box. Yes, it was strange and unusual, but I actually love that. And I love the different quirkiness of it. So I'm looking forward to using a lot of these little items. And I love the little knickknacks. It's not just a book, but other neat little items that are included that all readers pretty much enjoy. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. See you next time.